Hey folks, Iron Gene Go here. Gonna start my cuck bee this morning. Got out the chainsaw. Make Kolak. Father-in-law's let me use it. Gotta buzz down some bushes at my mom's place. I'm not wearing my boots this time. I swear next time I will. Just turn that on. Set this up. I hope that angle's good. Figured out I wasn't counting slow enough. One of my subscribers said that it's easier to put this switch on the ground side, and I looked into it and it is much easier. I kind of did it the hard way. Let's try it. Starts a lot easier. Let's do one more glow plug cycle. And I'll get it starting even easier once I get the block heater in. I hope that was a good angle, folks. Set my bear up right. Excuse me. That's a picture of my pop, me, and my brother. That didn't work out. That kind of sucks, but who knows? Maybe I'll be able to try again. I don't know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Come on. Take off. Put my seatbelt on. Alrighty. Kind of a short video. Alright, Kong, don't run over them bushes. Bronco 2. It's a pretty neat. Couple of Ram Chargers over there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and throw it down a like. If you so choose, throw it down a favorite. Kind of helps me out. I'm not terribly concerned with ratings and subscriptions, and I just want to put my videos on I just want to share. That's all I'm looking to do. Just share. And if people like it, that's an added bonus. Alrighty. Off to Mom's. We'll see you later.